All right, so I ordered something from the TikTok shop, and I don't know what it is, but I ordered a bunch of packages. So we're gonna open all of them. This one's supposed to be a surprise package. Well, surprise because I don't know what's in it. So let's open it and see. Let's check it out. Oh, so I just got this from the TikTok shop. I actually haven't tried it yet, but it said that it helps with wrinkles. And for some reason, I don't have wrinkles, but like I lost a lot of weight and like I feel like my eye feels kind of droopy around here. And I was watching a video and it said this was gonna help. So I ordered it from the TikTok shop. So we're gonna have to try it out and see if it actually helps and see if it works. Hold on. Let's open this.
Ooh, can I open it?
I don't know. Yeah, you can, but I don't know if it needs to be charged or something. Does it need to be charged? Okay, there it is.
Whoa.
Yep, it says wrinkle reducing instrument. That's what it says inside. And then
I need this.
what do you need it for? You don't got wrinkles?
Yes, I do. Look.
No, you don't.
I got wrinkles right here. And wrinkles
No, you
right
don't.
here.
This is for me. Hold on. You gotta turn it on first. Do we have to charge it before we turn it on?
No.
Oh yeah, so it has a USB charger. So it comes with a supposed to be USB charge. Oh! That's it.
Try it.
Try it?
Yeah. Put it under it.
Oh wow, it vibrates.
What did it do? Can I try it?
It vibrates when it touches your skin. Hold on. Wait. Can you tell the difference? Oh, is it too soon? You want to try it and see? But you don't have any wrinkles. Oh, give it to me. You just like how it feels, that's why. So my wrinkles are primarily like around here. So I'm going to try using this like every day. And then looking forward to seeing like how big of a difference it makes.
Yeah.
But yeah, I got this from the TikTok shop. I got convinced and I ordered one. So I'll let you guys know how it works.
Next package.
Next package. All right.